Hello friends, this is the review of the Orpat fan and the model number is the Air Breeze. It's 1200 mm, that is 48 mm Z double Z sleeve type, and here is the standard boxing. It says 100% rust proof aluminum body, pure copper wire for long life and power saving, and it's the same branding logo on almost all the sides, and on the top it does say something different. It's golden color, but actually it's white. Long power mm, life powder coated aluminium body, 14 pole heavy duty super speed motor, and wobble free operation. And the MRP it shows is 1395, uh, and like it's 75 watts, 360 RPM, 1200 mm sweep. Air delivery is around 240 metric meter cube, 230 volts ceiling fan. And here inside it gives you how to uh, uh, connect the regulator. The regulator is not supplied with this box, and the connection diagram and all is given in the uh, this box itself, and how to connect and install it. Now we'll unbox it and see what all is there. This is the down rod at the top, and then this is the golden plate that you can put on the blades for beautification. This is also for beautification that you will put in the canopy. Two numbers for top and bottom, and then there is a user manual in English. It's from Ajanta Private Limited, the Orpat watch and other item makers, and it is giving you all the circuitry and how to install the entire item. So easily you can read and install it. And now this is the canopy, two canopies, golden for the top and bottom, and this is the uh, top one, uh, screw and bolt, that is known as shackle clip, that will connect to the final hook at the top in the ceiling. And this is the actual unit with the capacitor, the motor unit. And if I just take it out, this is how it looks from bottom. You can see, so if you buy in golden shade, then golden color will come like this. Here is some branding and technical specifications, the capacitor and the motor rotating shaft that will go along with it. These are the nuts to connect the blade, and this is the blade that comes along with it. It says silver series and all, and it's also it says to be supplied as an accompanying package at no extra cost with ceiling and motor fan. And this is also white color to accompany the same model. And if I just open it up, this is how it would eventually look up. So it has got nice sheen and paint, good quality paint, and if I try to bend it, it's okay. Not very heavy, not very light, so it will do its job. Seems good quality. It will do the job nicely. So once that is connected, we can use it as a ceiling fan, and I hope this will be a good experience.